Hi, welcome to part 2 of combining like terms. Exciting stuff, I know. So, here we go, combining like terms. Just real quick, I would like you to just rewrite the 5 steps. One is rewrite the first 5 steps because the first step is rewrite. First step is rewrite, second step is distribute, third step is rearrange, fourth step is to combine the terms, and the fifth step is to clean up. Again, just a reminder, we always put constants in the back when we simplify. The variables are ordered alphabetically. X usually first, Y, if it's A's or B's, alphabetically. The alphabet tells you what to put first. We won't go into the powers of terms yet. And that's basically how ordering is done. Diving right in. Here we go. Example number 1. If you end up with the question that asks you to simplify, 3a plus 6 minus 2a plus 9 plus 5a. Going right for it, I know, right? Well, here we go. I'm going to use blue for the variable a. So those are going to be in blue pencil. And then I will use purple because I don't know where my red went, but we'll use purple for the constants. Okay? So, here we go. Got 3, 1, 2, 3. Constants I'm going to use as open circles. Then I got 6 of the, 3 coefficients. And by the way, coefficient tells you how many you actually have. 3a is equal to a plus a plus a. That's why you have 3 circles. 6, you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Minus 2a really means negative 2a, but minus 2a means add the opposite. So I've got 2 evil a's, and the evil a's are looking to see what the good a's are doing, because the evil a's are spying on the good a's. It's all a game. Positive 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then we have positive 5a. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. First thing, so now, and I'm following my steps. I rewrote. Don't need to distribute. No distributive property. There's nothing with parentheses. No distribute. So we're skipping that one. I'm going to rearrange. I'm going to put all my A's in the front. 1, 2, 3. And I got 2 evils. I'll put the evils last. I'll put the goods first. And then I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 good more. 5 more good ones. And then I have 2 evils. 1, 2. Okay. My positives. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And I'm not putting them like right next to each other because like for the positives that doesn't matter. But for the negatives, well, good versus evil, intergalactic law of poof. That's your zero identity, additive opposites. This equals 0. This equals 0. So I'm going to rewrite one more time. So this is me combining like terms. Combining, I'm going right down my checklist over here. I'm now combining. I rearranged, now I'm combining. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's all that's left. Of the good A's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 good constants. The blue is A, so I've got 6 A's plus 15 constants. Constants have no variables, so we're done. 6A plus 15 is the answer. I can't combine blues and purple. That's like combining Dodgers and Giants fans, man. I'm not going to get into that today. We're moving on. Factoring. This is what I had called anti-distributing. It's really just factoring. And I had mentioned that in another video that in Algebra 1 they call it factoring. So we're just going to go right into that idea. It is anti-distributing. It is the opposite of distributing. We're being greedy. We're grabbing everything, combining everything in a parenthesis. but it is called factoring. I'm going to start by, first off, writing my problem. 3a plus 6 minus 2a plus 9 plus 5a equal sign. And I might as well just draw a balance line to line up my equals, you know. Got some equals. I don't know. We'll see how many we need. I'm going to rewrite 3a plus 6 minus, well, no, I'm going to add negative 2a plus 9 plus 5a. Okay, now I'm going down my checklist. I rewrite. Can I distribute? No, there's no parentheses. We're not distributing, so we're skipping. I'm going to rearrange. I'm going to put my variables in the front. Anything with variable, 3a plus negative 2a. And if you want to put the positives in the front like I did over here, that's fine. Go for it. Plus, so I got this one, Oh, that's the last one left, 5a. Plus, now my constants, all the variables are gone, 6 plus 9. Okay, so I've combined, so I've rearranged. Now I'm going to do my factoring, and I'm going to think. I've got an A, got an A, I've got an A. They all have an A. So I'm going to put a parenthesis. I'm going to say 3 plus negative 2 plus 5 A, because everyone's got an A. I don't want to write A 3 times. Plus, if you want to do it right now, you can. I'm going to wait. But if you want to put 15 right there, it wouldn't be the end of the world. But I'm going to hold off and add at the same time. What's going on in parentheses is in its own little game. And what happens on the outside, you can do that at the same time. Because really, these constants, you can put parentheses around them too. And that's fine. 3 plus negative 2, definitely 1. Parentheses stay. I still got that 5 in there. Plus, well, this makes 15. Don't need a parenthesis. 1 plus 5 is 6a plus 15. And our answers are the same on both sides. So the answer for that one is 6a plus 15. Example number 2. Moving on, example number 3, or example number 2. Here we are. 2 different types of variables, so I will use 2 different colors, and somehow my red magically appeared. I don't know how that happened. I'll use blue for A. I'll use red for Z. So here we go. 4, because it's positive. 1, 2, 3, 4. And if you want to like do all the reds first, you can. That's fine. In fact, let's go for it. Why not do that? 1, 2, 3, because you know you're going to put them together anyways, aren't you? I know I am. 5, 1, oh, open because you're positive. 2, 3, 4, 5. One more. And that's it. We're actually done with that part. So, well, let's take my pencil and, well, good and evil, make a 0. That's a 0 pair. Good and evil, 0 pair. Good and evil, 0 pair. All that's left is 1 positive, 4. Or 1 positive Z, because Z is red. 1 Z plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. Done. That's it. Z plus 6. Okay, moving on to factoring. Okay. Looking at this one, I'm going to start by writing the problem. 4z plus 5a plus a minus 3z. I'm going to start by rewriting as step 1. Right? Next step, distribute. Can't distribute. Oh, when I rewrite, by the way, I wanted that negative right there. Can't distribute. I'm going to rearrange. So we're on step 3. We're rearranging. Bounce sign with that. Z go first or A go first? What is the first letter of the alphabet? Oh, that's right, A. Z's in the back. Plus 4z plus negative 3z. As my rearrange. 5a plus a. So what number is in front of a? Like when I do my anti-distribute or factor, what a is going to go on the outside, but what am I'm going to put a 5. But if there's just an a right there, what do you think goes right there? It's a, it's by itself. It's like that one kid that just hangs out like by himself. He's the cool kid. He's the one kid. 1 plus 1, of course. Plus, now I've got 2 z's back here. Do it again. 4 plus negative 3. Here we go. We've got some parentheses, so now we're going to combine. 5 plus 1 makes 6a. Plus 4 and negative 3 make positive. Let's erase that negative sign. Make 1 z. But I'm not going to write 1z. I'm definitely going to write 6a plus z. And we're good to go on that one. So again, factoring in triples, we're basically going through the same steps. We're rewriting, we're distributing, we're combining like terms, having a good time, we're enjoying ourselves. Yeah, doing some math. Example number 3, and this is the last example for this video. Oh, there's the parenthesis. Okay, so I'm gonna do the factoring first. I want to try that one. Let's do that one first. Changing the game. Why did I put minus 8? I have no idea. Oh, that's why, because there's minus 8 right there. Plus 8. I'm going to rewrite. Step 1, rewrite. Plus negative 5. Now negative 5, I'm definitely going to put some parentheses. Inside the parentheses. That's okay. It's okay to have parentheses inside of parentheses. Step 2, we're going to distribute. I got 2 items out here, so I'm going to put 3 times whatever's right here plus 3 times whatever. It doesn't matter. 3 goes to both items. This and this. Plus 8. Well, what's right? 4y goes in this one. Negative 5 goes in that one. 3 times 4 is 12. Y plus 3 times negative 5. Well, 3 times 5 is 15, and a positive times a negative is a negative. Plus 8. Combine. So next step is rearrange. The variables in front, moving on. Constants are in the back, right? Well, we don't need to rearrange. We're going to just combine. He ain't got no one to hang out with. He's hanging out by himself. He's cool. Negative 15 plus 8. I have negatives and positives canceling each other out. So I'm losing value. So I'm going to subtract because I'm losing value. 15 minus 8 is 7. Negatives win. They got more voting power. There's more negatives than positives. So plus negative 7. However, this is equal to 12y minus 7. That's my cleanup stage. So I'm predicting this is my answer to triples. Let's see. Let's use red for y. Open boxes for positives, closed boxes for negatives. I'm going to just change this real quick. Add negative 5. It's because it's really negatives. Constant and a constant. And just like my checklist, I'm going to distribute first. I'm going to do this first. I'm going to write 3 sets of 4 y's, 5 negatives. So I'm going to write this. I'm going to write that 4y plus negative 5. I'm going to write that 3 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, they're closed because they're negative 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. My third and final time. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now that's my distribute, and then I got 8 just hanging out. And they're positive. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's just do it. Check it out. 1 0 pair. 2 0 pair, because the constants can cancel each other out. 3 0 pair. Now I'm just going to start doing this. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 gone. So now I'm just gonna rewrite. I'm gonna redraw it so I can see. I got 1, 2, 3, 4. I got 12 evil. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And how many evil constants do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 evils left. So I got 12y. That's positive. They're all good. 3 times 4 is 12. Minus, because it's really just negative, 7. Hey look, 12y minus 7. So, that is this video. This example is, I love these types of examples where it's mixing so much. We're distributing. We're using commutative property. We're combining like terms. And it really, really ties everything we've been doing so far this year, ties it all together with integers and fractions and just makes life great. So, there you go. I'll see you next time.